What's going on, guys? A Pitchman 17, and look at this, all the snow is right here in Georgia. It is crazy. I mean, how deep into my truck in the snow is? Let's say about five something inches, something like that. My back tires, and look at it, full of snow on my truck. It is crazy. And goodness, isn't one of the branches, like, well, not curly goodness, or one of the branches that's falling down, and one of my houses is like touching the trees and all. It is crazy snow. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start of my truck. I hope it runs while it's cold. Holy shit. Oh man. Oh no, I can. Praise to be God. Oh, sorry, my fingers in a way. Ooh. Oh my God. A little bit of entryway. Oh my God. Like, it's full of snow. But luckily it's all, there's some snow, but not much. But first things first, you got to get some of the doors out. Oh my God. Make sure. It's full of fucking snow. It's crazy though. I never get snow just like this before. Oh. Just shake it off. You have to use your sleeve and get it out. Most likely. And open the door. And holy crap. It is snowing as hell. Oh, my fingers are frozen already. Oh God. It still works. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. My bad. She's alive. She runs. Right, it should be. Holy crap. I can't believe it still runs, and the temperature's like 30 degrees. And it's 8:33. And the date is like December 9, 2017. And my truck is like covered in snow. Luckily, I don't have a powder outage, thank God. Alright. Sport mode. Traction control on, make sure it is. Let's barely see. And my truck is like covered in snow. I'll show you in a minute. So I can't just flip my. Make sure it's on. Always. Before you do something stupid or whatnot, make sure you're on a tree line. Well, actually, but you have to get away from the trees in case it hits your car or whatnot. It's safer effort anyways. Oh wow, look at how deep my snow is and on my tires. It is nuts. Like literally, the whole street is like covered in snow. Even from my Well, at least it'll stay some grass though. Oh my god. It's like literally covered in snow in my truck. Let me make sure I back up like a few more feet. Actually, I don't know, I'm on the road right now. Holy crap. I got so much snow all the way from here. Let's see if I can move it. Yep, looks like I'm stuck here. I can tell. And it looks like I may be stuck here. I can tell. Transmission is not in part. No, I have tell. I'm stuck in the snow. If I turn off the traction control off. Yep. Yep. Looks like I'm stuck in the snow. Here's a good tip for you. Yep. Looks like I'm stuck with the snow. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and shut that thing off. Is my emergency brake on? Yeah, it is. And safe for effort. Well, stuck in the snow, stuck in the snow. So, whatever, big deal. Well, my truck ain't going nowhere, so as long as it's on the edge of the truck, it's stuck in the snow anyway, so, oh my god, it's like my mud tires. It's like literally stuck in the mud right now. I'm not going nowhere because all that wreck of the snow, I have to wait until it melts. And look at all of these. At least I back up a little in case one of the trees hit me. And so yeah, pretty much. Yep, like I'm literally stuck in the snow. Oh my god, look at how deep I am. And including my back tires as well. Yep, I'm literally stuck in the snow. Even my tailgate is like full. Oh. Okay, I just tripped somehow. Oh my god. I'm gonna show you guys the tailgate. Yep, it's like I'm literally stuck in the snow. And my arms are like freezing already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like the whole bed of my truck is covered in snow already. Like the whole area is covered in snow. I'm gonna see like the whole, I mean, look at my feet though, it's like barely covered in snow. Oh my god. I've never seen this quite this before. Oh my god. I'm gonna make sure the whole, always have your tailgate locked in case, you never know. Oh my god, I'm gonna wait till before I do something stupid or whatever, or actually not something stupid, I have to wait until the snow is completely melted. Like my truck is stuck in the snow. It's full of mud terrain, and my fingers just like fucking freezing. And it looks like I'm literally stuck in the snow. Goodness, I saved a part of it. I mean, how deep the snow is from here. I could have backed up like a few more feet. That's just way on that. And yes, my truck is like covered in snow. It is a good tip for you. Never drove your vehicle on the snow. You will lose control a little bit. So I can tell you'll lose traction of the snow. I don't have four-wheel tires. Actually, yes, I do have. That's sport control and tall haul mode. That's it. That's all I do. I don't have four-wheel drive, so that's the sad part. So that's why I need four-wheel drive to get this shit out of there, you know. Plus, my house is like covered in snow. One of the branches is like completely, well, I got some ice on my screen now. And holy crap. So at least I'll give you the cold start of my Ford F-150. And I believe my mom's car is like stuck in the snow too. So I'm so glad I didn't go to work today, thank God. So it is deep as hell, not gonna lie. So anyways, so to pitch my 17 out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon.